Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another important question in the chapter Money and Credit. The first question: mention 3 points of difference between the formal sector and informal sector loan. The answer for this question is the formal sector loan from bank and corporation. Second, under the supervision of the Reserve Bank of India. Third, reasonable rate of interest. Whereas informal sector loan from the money lender, relative, friend, traders, etc., and no supervision of any institutions and very high rate of interest. Next question: how does the Reserve Bank of India supervise the functioning of bank? Why is this necessary? The answer for this question: Reserve Bank of India supervise the bank in the following way. It monitor the balance kept by the bank for day-to-day transaction. Second, it check that the bank given loan not just to the profit-making business and trader but also to small borrowers. Third, periodically bank have to give details about the lender, borrower and interest to take RBI, and it is necessary for the securing public welfare. It avoid the bank to run the business with the profit motive only. It also kept check and of interest rate of credit facility provided by the bank, and RBI make sure that the loan from the bank are affordable and cheap. Next question: poor household still depend on informal sources of credit. Support the statement with example. The answer for this question: banks are not present everywhere in rural India where informal sources are easily available in all the village. Getting loan from the bank is much more difficult from the poor people than taking loan from the informal sources because the bank loan require proper documentation and correlator. Money lender provide loan to the poor people without any correlator. Formal sources provide loan only for the productive purpose, whereas informal source provide the credit for the productive and non-productive purpose. Next question: Dhananjay is a government employee and belong to a rich household, whereas Raju is a construction workers and come from the poor rural household. But both are need and wish to be a taken loan. Create a list of arguments explaining who between the two would necessarily successfully able to arrange money from the former sources and why. The answer for this question: Dhananjay will able to get loan from the formal sources because banks are not present everywhere in rural India. Even where they are accept presenting getting a loan from the bank is much more difficult to take loan from the informal sources. Bank loan require proper documentation, correlator. Absence of correlator is not one of the major reasons which prevent the poor from getting bank loan. Informal lender, such as money lender, on the other hand, known as borrower personally, hence are often willing to give loan without any correlator. Next question: the credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged. Support the statement with argument. The credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged because 85% of loan taken by the poor household in the urban area are from informal sources. Next, informal lender charge very high interest rate on their loan. Third, there are no boundaries and restrictions, and higher cost of borrowing means a larger part of the earning of the borrower is used to repay the loan. Next, in certain case, the higher interest rates for the borrowing can mean that amount to be repaid in greater than the income of the borrower. Six, this could be lead to increase the debt and debt trap. Therefore, the credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged.